In front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Gallery app. Now select Folders. Click on the chosen one, in my case Screenshot, and hold one of your photos that you wish to delete, in my case this one. Now click on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Select All. As you can see, after that, all of those photos are selected. In order to delete them, click on this pin icon at the top right corner and hit Yes, delete these items permanently. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!